Very good morning to all of you. So today I will take your English text class and you can see on the board that the chapter I will do today, that is a new chapter, the tiger and the mosquito. The tiger and the mosquito. So open page number 91, all of you. Page number 91. So all of you open page number 91, okay? Today I will read the chapter. And also I will write some spellings that you will practice at your home. Okay. So let's start reading the chapter. All of you open page number 91 of your Marigold book. The tiger and the mosquito. A tiger was dozing under a tree. We can see here in this picture that a tiger was dozing under a tree. A mosquito came buzzing by. So the tiger was dozing where? Dozing means we can say half asleep, we can say. Okay. And the tiger was dozing where? Under a tree. Under a tree, the tiger was dozing. A mosquito came buzzing by. Who came after that? A mosquito. A mosquito came buzzing by. Who came after that? A mosquito came buzzing by. The tiger said, "Hey mosquito, go away." So the tiger said, Shivanita, I have already given this in your e-portal in the assignment section. Okay. English project I have already given in the e-portal assignment sections, and all of you need not need to submit over there. Need not need to submit on the e-portal. I have said that I will tell you where you will submit, in school or wherever on online. I will notify you later. Okay. All of you need not need to submit English project in the e-portal. Okay. I will tell you later where you will submit. About the English project, I am just telling precisely that I have given you a rainbow to draw a rainbow and color them and write all the 7 colors. This was your English project. Okay. So I have said this precisely, and all of you check the e-portal assignment section. There you can find the English project was given in detail. Okay. And I am telling you again that all of you need not need to submit the project in e-portal. I have given you just for your, so that you can understand that clearly, and where and how we will submit I will notify you later. Okay. So let's continue with the reading. The tiger said, "Hey mosquito, go away." Because the tiger was half asleep, he was trying to sleep, so he just said, "Go away." The mosquito said, "Why should I go away? I am not afraid of you." The mosquito now is saying that, "Why should I go away? I am not afraid of you." The tiger was angry. So the tiger got very angry now. He hit out with his paw. So now the tiger hit out with his paw to kill the mosquito. Now the tiger tried to hit out with his paw, and paw is, we can say, the palm of the tiger's legs. The palm of the tiger's legs we can say that is paw. Okay. Now turn to the next page. The mosquito flew off. So when the tiger hit, the mosquito flew off. The paw struck his own cheek. Now where did the paw struck? To his own cheek. The paw struck his own cheek. The blow scraped his cheek. It began to bleed. So the hit was so hard that his cheek began to bleed, because he hit on his own cheek and the hit was so hard that it began to bleed. The mosquito buzzed away. The mosquito is not going anywhere else. he just buzzed away around the tiger. The mosquito buzzed away. Shubhecha, what is you are saying e-portal? I have given your English project in the e-portal assignment sections. Okay, just please check over there. Now concentrate over the class. The mosquito buzzed away. The tiger struck with his other paw. Now the tiger just trying to kill the mosquito with his other paw. So he hit with his other paw. The mosquito flew off. The mosquito again flew off but gone nowhere. The mosquito has gone nowhere but only flew off. This time too he hit himself. So this time also the tiger hit himself with his paw. The tiger was helpless. Now the tiger is feeling helpless because whenever he tried to kill the mosquito, he just ended up hitting himself his own cheeks. Okay, and the hit was so hard that he started to bleed. The tiger was helpless. Now the tiger is feeling very helpless. The mosquito continued to buzz. The mosquito has gone nowhere. The Shubhecha, please concentrate over the class, okay? Just I am not saying anything that you need to use the chat box. I am just reading. All of you look at the book and try to read with me. Whenever I will tell you to use the chat box, you will use it, okay? The tiger was helpless. The mosquito continued to buzz. So the mosquito has gone nowhere and he continued to buzz around the tiger. The tiger got up and quietly walked away. Now the tiger is feeling so helpless and he got up and he walked away quietly. The mosquito called out after him. Now the mosquito is saying something. What is he saying? Let's see. The mosquito called out after him, "Don't be so proud, my friend. Everyone is great in his own way." So the mosquito is saying that don't be so proud, my friend. Everyone is great in his own way. So the mosquito is saying that don't be so proud that you are big in size, you are the tiger and I am the mosquito, small in size. That doesn't mean I am a small. Everyone is great in its own way. You are great in your own way. I am also good in my own way. So don't be so proud, my friend. Everyone is great in his own way. Okay. So last line, the last line of the story, keep it in mind that everyone is great in his own way. Okay. And the writer of this story is Mrinalini Srivastava. All of you will remember this name. Okay, so her name is Mrinalini Srivastava and you will remember this name. She is the writer of this story. Okay, and I have completed reading of the story. Now I will write some spellings from this chapter. All of you take out your copies and write the spellings without any mistake. Okay, all of you take out your copies and write the spellings without any mistake. All of you please take out your copies and write the spellings. First one. First one is dozing. D-O-Z-I-N-G, dozing. Second one is buzzing. B-U-Z-Z-I-N-G. B-U-Z-Z-I-N-G, buzzing. Number 3, there will be mosquito. M-O-S-Q-U-I-T-O, mosquito. M-O-S-Q-U-I-T-O, mosquito. Then you will write tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. All of you are writing now? Let me know. Number 5, angry. Number 5 will be angry. A-N-G-R-Y, angry. A-N-G-R-Y, angry. Number 6 will be hit. H-I-T, hit. H-I-T, hit. Number 7 will be paw. P-A-W. P-A-W, paw. Number 8 will be cheek. C-H-E-E-K, cheek. Number 9, bleed. B-L-E-E-D, bleed. And number 10 will be proud. P-R-O-U-D, proud. P-R-O-U-D. Okay, Shubhechha, you are writing very good. Write it down, so all of you write it down without any mistake. So these 10 spellings you will practice from here. I am repeating all the spellings once again. Number 1, dozing. D-O-Z-I-N-G, dozing. Number 2, buzzing. B-U-Z-Z-I-N-G, buzzing. Number 3 is mosquito. M-O-S-Q-U-I-T-O, mosquito. Number 4, tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Number 5, angry. A-N-G-R-Y, angry. Number 6, hit. H-I-T, hit. Number 7, paw. P-A-W, paw. Number 8, cheek. C-H-E-E-K, cheek. Number 9, bleed. B-L-E-E-D, bleed. And number 10, proud. P-R-O-U-D, proud. Okay. So these 10 spellings you will practice from this chapter. And now I will take you present. All of you write prior present in the chat box. And no one will leave the class until I complete, or you will be absent. Okay. So all of you write prior present in the chat box. Okay. I'm fine, dear Shubhecha. And how are all of you? Fine, na? Okay. So, I have taken all of you present, and today I have just completed the reading of this chapter, and also I have written some spellings. You will practice those spellings at your home, okay? And the exercise part I will do in your next classes, okay? So, today the time is up also. All of you have a nice day. Bye. Bye all of you.